The new Bentley Bentayga Speed V8 outpunches the W12. It's been nearly a year since Bentley assembled its final W12 engine, concluding more than 20 years of producing 12-cylinder cars. Although the venerable powertrain is gone, the Volkswagen Group's ultra-luxury brand is confident its replacement is better. I mean, they weren't going to say it's worse, right? The new Bentayga Speed replaces the old 6.0-liter unit with a significantly smaller 4.0-liter engine, still featuring a twin-turbo setup. The latest Bentayga Speed packs 641 horsepower, or 15 horsepower more than the now-defunct W12. However, the downsized engine generates only 627 lb-ft, 850 Nm, of torque, which is 37 lb-ft, 50 Nm, less than the previous model. It's still not the most potent SUV out there, considering the Aston Martin DBX S, Ferrari Purosangue, Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, Lamborghini Urus SE, and Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid are all part of the 700 horsepower club. A few EVs are even more powerful. As you can imagine, removing the chunky engine has had a positive impact on the SUV's curb weight. It now weighs 5,435 pounds, 2,465 kilograms, making it approximately 95 pounds, 43 kilograms, lighter than before. The engine transplant puts the speed in Bentayga Speed, cutting the 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration time by half a second to 3.4 seconds. Bentley claims the Porsche family hauler reaches 193 miles per hour, 310 kilometers per hour, 3 mph faster than the old W12. Beyond the improved spec sheet, the updated model should feel a bit more agile, thanks to the addition of rear-wheel steering. Carbon ceramic brakes are optional, but only if the vehicle is ordered with the massive 23-inch speed wheels. Bentley also tweaked the sport driving mode, stiffening the suspension dampers by 15% compared to the Bentayga V8 S. The steering response has been quickened for a more engaging drive. Bentley believes you won't miss the W12 soundtrack too much, as the new Speed features a standard sports exhaust system. For an even meaner noise, buyers can splurge on the optional Akrapovic titanium exhaust with quad tips instead of just two. Styling changes are discreet. In addition to the 23-inch alloys mentioned earlier, the Bentayga Speed gets darker headlights and taillights, along with an optional contrasting black roof available in either satin or gloss finish. Inside, the standard chrome accents can be replaced with a dark tint to enhance the sporty vibe. Rounding out the updates are subtle changes to the seat upholstery colors and quilted design. Even without the W12, you're not losing an iota of what makes a Bentley a Bentley. Those extra 4 cylinders were cut due to stricter emissions regulations. For the same reasons, time is running out for the pure ICE experience in a model from Crew. The Bentayga is the sole surviving gas model, as the other members of the lineup are hybrid. The upcoming addition to the portfolio will skip the combustion engine altogether by becoming the company's first EV. It'll take the shape of an SUV smaller than the Bentayga.